What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction. But back in this building, guys. Hold on, I'm inside. What am I doing? I'm inside, people. Well, back in effect. Today we have Throwback Thursdays. Feel me? You feel me? We have the great, the legend himself, the man himself, K the Lion. So right now, once the lone fire emojis in the chat. Right now. You thought we all gonna just forget about the Malanja? You really think that more than us the reacting all of the music now job? We gonna make one dig up some story, dig up something to give on right now. And right now we have a performance from K-Line, is it me I say? And before I stopped, before I took the little break from reactions for real, well, I started doing live performances. I think I reacted to when they first came out on the soca, I don't remember what's it called, soca man or something. All the Trinidad artists came out and they did the thing for like a couple, like 30 seconds, 30 minutes, 30 seconds, yeah, 30 seconds. And like, yeah, Plumpy Boss, everybody came out and they did the thing. Prince Swan, Jolano, Rebel 6. You understand me? They all came out and they did the little thing. However, and Killian himself. But right now we have a Killian stage. This performance is at Party in Paradise. You understand me? So let's see what's happening for this. I wasn't there, so this is gonna be me there. So right now, for everyone in the chat, leave a like on the video. Let's get 200 likes on this video right now. And no one comment, and no two comment, 3 to 4 to 5 comment in my comment section. If you don't know what to comment, people, comment some fire emojis right now. Run, tune. All right. Let's see what's popping. It's a vibe today. Yeah, monster sound. Yeah, we living at the knockout. Really, Melandros. So we have more energy than the body performing own song. People want to see me if emoji in the comment section right now. Right now, I might premiere that video because I want to see fire emojis in the chat. So I'm a premiere this video. Fire emojis in the chat. Go on! Spam fire emojis, man. Go on! Hey, I want to like Could not see. Alright then, go. Really, Melandros. I don't want to hate this. Yeah, hate this. Go. You can't just watch and all the vibes with me, dog, and now comment or make if you comment the fire emojis them, dog. More want to be fire emojis right now in the comment section. Loan fire emojis, spam fire emojis. Tap the like button. If you watch the video, don't like the video, me and a friend, like the video. We are not friends if you don't like the video, you know. Like the video. Go on. Talk to them. Go there, girl. Alright, turn it around now, girl. Hey. Yeah. And that's how we have to respect you, dog. Represent for the girl, you know? Them girls are name. Sit down. Sit down. Bomba clean. Go on. Hold on, I still gonna play it. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Good day. They are doing their thing. It is not a laughing matter. They are really sit-downing. Sit-downing is not even a word. They are doing their thing. They are doing their thing. Their little thing. They're doing their little thing in England. Go on!
You know, like how we try and style with the ladies.
What next? That's what. Kawa. Side. Power side. Anytime strike the lighter. Anytime we strike the lighter, fire emojis right now. So we can practice it. Fire emojis. Fire. Spam it. Spam. Go on. Be safe. Alright then. Yeah. Yeah. Thumbs up the video. She feels safe. When you got left now.
Anybody come here with a circle?
Yeah, dog.
One love, another. Because guess what?
I'm thinking that would defend it. Love my team. Not that time.
Any boy is sitting there, running it, singing like that, what's the name of the I'll say talk about that, there's one for wasting their share. Anyway, so love my team. We're gonna do it live, what we gotta do is love my team. Look into the sky and we follow everything. Love my team. Love my team.
What's up, brother?
Hey, ready back now, boy.
Look up for my man like the G5. One thing up on time like me. shoot for my size, but I'm not the one gun just on the high rise.
You know that one. I don't know that one. I know it, but I don't know that one. I don't like I know that one. Now I'm going to lie.
But the bad energies, but he deal with the bad energies. Deliver and don't fuck with my team. Don't step back with about my street. I really go some burning shoes up with my team. When the team grow, I'm my queen. I'm in the back by my queen. Throw you on the hole with point three. Tell them before you take never get it by green. Look for that roll. When we step on them, what's the extra text on them? When we pull it for the weapons, we will take a go to that second. And when we step on them, step on don't have step on them. We're taking to the airborne. Music travel and with the confidence. Full tactical, we don't have confidence. From the sense we have the confidence. The rest of the line, I'm so confident. Same time, same crime, murder. Your family were listed on the great fine. Here, we're like something for the whole waistline. Sorry, body, take away another. Then it's only the boom, and get them bricks. So it's from a boom,
I never know how to go out of that. You got man like Ellis in here, say. Want to stay in the background, relax. Look at myself, bro, God. Yourself, yeah. 607 Muslim drive. So deal with the again. Get down, man. 607 tell it. Which part is it? Yeah,
it's not a job with killing, it's not a job with weed, it's not a job with shots. I don't know nothing, but for them we don't need
emoji. You think intermission time? You think forget? You think I forgot about them fire emojis? Spam them right now in the comment section. Spam fire emojis now. No. I didn't forget about it. Let's go.
Full of payments with kerosene. As man never tending an enemy, so but that's 651 fifth. Need outside every mini power drill. This is a run, never be fire still. He can't take up the brains like birds in the top.
Run tune.
That thing of yourself, only done running good.
Yeah.
Then the last one. When we now reach, only don't feel nowhere. When we now reach, they didn't know who it was. I know thought I had was the Twitter coming. Yeah.
Get fee-free overdraft up to 100.
Yo, people, them. January. Let me know if y'all like want me to continue this Throwback Thursdays because I will definitely do it. You understand me? There's a lot. I don't even got to do like music, like performances. I just react to some throwback songs. You see me? Throwback hits. I could even react to music that actually I could even react to music that I have already reacted to. You understand me? But throwback wise, you know what I'm saying? The hits from them, that way can never die. You understand about Throwback Thursdays? Let me know if you want to make that a thing. You understand? Give you one of them things. So leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. And yo, just this last performance with us, so Molandros, yo. I remember like when the man just passed away, the dog. Right, and I came home. I found out that I was out for real. I remember that shit. Wasted as hell. And I was drunk as hell. If I go search up my reaction to Molandros. Is it Molandros? Monsters or Molandros, yeah. Search up my reaction to that song there. Not even that. Yes, that one little one buckley, that one there. And then we do the Prince one, the dreams, that we did frost, I'm drunk. Like drunk as hell. Dog, we drunk and mix at the same time. I'm doing that reaction to that. You can't just look it up, you can see Tyrekevlogs react. Prince One, the dreams, and then the KLI monsters out. But it's been about Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss. Thank you for the love and support as usual. You understand me? Just keep subscribing, keep liking. And I must say thank you all very, very much for the love and support. Peace out.